Hello traders, D7 here with freetrainvideos.com. Another down day. We're at a crucial area. Let's take a look. Just to show you, we're down 1% across the board. However, 2% on the NASDAQ. Oh boy, Google, Apple, RIMM just took a hit today. We'll actually look at those in this video. Russell down more than 2%. So we are down slightly, but the thing that I want us to take a look at here is this S&P. The S&P that we're looking at shows a big decline, and we're at right here at the 675 area where I have this line drawn. Let's blow this up and take a look here. I was watching this like a hawk. We did cross down below it at one point, and I thought, man, if we close below that, that's going to be big time trouble because there's nothing below it for support. You just go down, 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 down. This is our last chance support area. So what we do have is long leg doji here, right on the heels of our long leg doji. We get ourselves what's called an inverted hammer. An inverted hammer can act bullish. So the thing that I want to watch here is, are we going to make a higher high? So I'd like to see a higher high than today. If we could get over about 700, if we could get over 700, clearing these two highs, then we should see what the bulls can do in this market. I think it'll be short-lived, but it's anybody's guess. I'll call it when I see it. So when this thing starts to shoot up, I'll be watching it like a hawk, hopefully finding shorting opportunities here up into the future. Now, we're at just a real crucial area. I don't like that we have an inside day where we have a higher low and a lower high. Inside day, I would, if we get a couple more of those and we just base sideways, that would be very bearish. I'd be looking for a decisive move to the downside. But if this thing is going to bounce, it needs to happen soon. Again, anything over 700 would be that. Let's take a look here at Apple. Apple took a nice little hit today, but look at the uptrend that it was in. We have a higher swing high here, higher swing lows, but when we hit the resistance here and crash back down to support, we couldn't get off of support. We stayed down here. Support, 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 support. The moving averages acting as resistance across, and finally we break down. It's a low base formation. Here's our low base drop. We are decisively below the falling moving day averages, and what we have here, we do have the same formation, which is an inverted hammer that can act bullish going to the upside. We don't have any support underneath this. The thing that we want to watch for is if we make a lower low tomorrow. If so, what we will have support, and I'm drawing these support lines. You can see that a support area right there. That's going to be right at $80. Our next one would be right here, which should put us at 78. If we can get down through those two areas should act as support, and we should get some bounce and some buyers there to get us a nice little bounce. But if we crack through those two, we're in trouble. We don't have any support under here. And so it's anybody's guess where it's going to go. Let's take a look here at RIMM, Research in Motion. And I have myself a new BlackBerry, and I like it. I don't know how many of you guys out there in Traderland are Crackberry addicts, but I hope to be. And leave me, if you have any cool apps for your BlackBerry, please leave that down in comments. I'm looking for some good apps. But anyway, check this out. If we blow this up, we close below this support area. That support area is right here at this body. So this is showing a lot of weakness. Next stop right there. That stop right there. If I were to go back, this is this is 2006 low right there. And that's where we're at here, Research in Motion, saying $33, about $33. 33 is the next stop. After that, you know, it's just anybody's guess where it's going to go. This thing's in a lot of trouble. If Research in Motion is going to get healthy, it needs to happen now. It needs to pop right now. So let's also, while we're here, take a look at Google. And Google broke. Let me show you something. Let's blow this up so we can see it. Right here, had some nice support coming in. It's way too close. Let me come out just a little bit so you can see this. We have trend lines coming up, both acting as support. We got a nice hammer, a great opportunity if it made a higher high to go up, but we do have resistance, as the moving average is acting as resistance here. But instead, we get a decisive move to the downside. Next area would be the swing low, Google at 283. Then we have Google at 265. So there you are. Happy trading out there in the markets, and right now it's a good time to be sitting in cash, sitting on your hands, waiting for a decisive move in the markets for you to make a decision if you're going to be a bull or a bear. Till next time, we'll catch you at freetradingvideos.com.